These V-shaped lifting magnets by Haas are very simple, durable, and robust. You'll find these in machine shops, construction sites, and maybe even a garage, where there's a need to lift heavy steel or iron objects. We have these in 3 different sizes. There's a 650 pound, 1300 pound, and 2200 pound capacity magnet, depending on what you need to lift. What's cool about this unit is the simple locking and unlocking mechanism on the handle, which allows you to control the magnet. The added safety feature on the locking mechanism will give you peace of mind knowing the handle will not release as you move the work pieces around. Here's how it works. Insert the handle into the magnet output shaft hole with the safety latch facing the magnet. Align the threaded hole on the handle with the hole on the end of the output shaft. Insert the fastener and tighten it with a 6mm Allen key. Place the magnet on a part close to center as possible. And of course, take a moment to decide if the weight of the object you're lifting is within the holding capacity of the magnet. For maximum holding capacity, whatever you're lifting should be free from rust and dirt. If you think you're close to the limit of the magnet, be careful as you lift the object and keep the load low to the ground as you move it. When you're lifting a flat plate or block of steel, make sure both magnet faces are gripping the face of the metal. For a bar stock, use the center of the V-groove, which applies holding force on both sides of the lifted part. To disengage a magnet, make sure the lifted part is secure at the drop-off location. Press the spring-loaded knob at the end of the handle and rotate the handle to the off position. To recap, use the magnet to lift within its limitation. Make sure the surfaces are free from rust and dirt as much as possible, and use the entire magnet surface to lift one part at a time for maximum holding capacity. For more information on Haas machines, service, or tooling, visit haascnc.com, and thanks for watching.